You have that one thing. I know we all have that one thing, maybe more, that we're really great at, like hitting a three-pointer, doing your accounts balancing, do-it-yourself project, or cooking a big meal. It's true you might have some natural talent for those things, but the reason you got great at them wasn't because of talent. It was because you gave them your attention and your energy. You also probably had some guidance, whether you know it or not. It could have been learning from a high school coach, watching a video on YouTube, taking a class online, learning it from a friend, or the list goes on and on and on how you may have found it. Another key to becoming great is to have a plan. Maybe it was a practice schedule, a budget, a worksheet, or a recipe. Even if it was in your head, you probably had some kind of structure to follow. And of course, last but not least, you took action. Well, that same formula works for success at practically everything. Attention plus support plus a proven plan plus action equals results. This even includes your health and fitness goals and weight loss goals. When you give your healthy weight loss goals attention, have support, and follow a proven plan, results will follow. You just have to hang in there until you start to reap the benefits, which doesn't take long at all, and it doesn't take as long as you might think. Take a quick inventory of your own goals right now. If you're not on track, which part of the formula is missing? If you need some guidance, we can help. This is what I do. I'm David Bennett of the Metabolic Body Reset, and I'm committed to your success and have a plan called the Metabolic Body Reset. Like and follow for more.